Ready kayo sa Lawakan Laguna?
May pick your question from the bowl. Your question is, if you were to be the governor or the mayor of the local government you are representing now, what would be the single most significant project that you would wish to accomplish and why?
I've always known myself to be a committed advocate of education, and I would definitely promote education empowerment across all genders in our municipality, because we all understand that education is the key to open multiple doors of opportunities, the power that no one can ever take away from us, and the solution to feel more empowered and transformed. Thank you.